Transform your WordPress site into a branded merchandise powerhouse and empower your team to showcase their pride. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugins section. We're going to install WooCommerce, the most popular e-commerce solution for WordPress. Search for WooCommerce in the plugin directory. Click Install Now, and then activate the plugin once it's installed. WooCommerce will guide you through a quick setup. Fill in your store's basic information, like your address and currency. Choose the types of products you'll be selling for a team shop. This might include physical products like apparel and accessories. Enter some details about your business to help WooCommerce suggest relevant features. Next, configure your payment gateways and shipping options, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, or flat rate shipping. Set it up here. Now let's add your first merchandise item. Go to WooCommerce, then Products, and click Add New. Give your product a clear and descriptive name. This is what your customers will see. Write an engaging product description. Include details about the material, sizing, and any special features of your branded item. Under the Product Data section, select Simple Product. For now, you can explore variations later for different sizes or colors. Enter the regular price for your merchandise. This is the standard selling price. Upload a high-quality product image showcasing your team's branded item from its best angle. Add multiple images to your product gallery to give customers a comprehensive view. Finally, click the Publish button to make your team's merchandise available on your website. And there you have it. Your team shop is now live on your WordPress website, ready for your community to purchase branded items with ease.